Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to unbox this Samsung HD TV 32-inch smart TV, and its model is T4300. Okay, this video I will unbox the TV to show you what is inside the new box, and then we are going to installing all the process until we complete to use the TV. Okay, now let's begin. Okay, now first of all I will open the box of the TV. So first time we going to open is the top of the box. So here we have the two layer, one layer, two layer, and then I think for safe I put it like this, so you can see it's now is the first layer and it's the second layer. So firstly you will see the quick setup guide book, and then here is the TV stand. So you should take it out first, and then please be careful not to drop your TV out. So I think you should take it out. Okay. So now these are some quick setup guide. So you need to read it for the information. So I keep it here by me, and then it's not out. And here we have the TV. Covered by some plastic. And then put the TV here to make it safe. And then in the box we have a user manual and this remote control battery here, and the power cable. This one is for the TV connector. So here is the TV stand. Then it have the 4 screw here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the TV stand is like this. Okay, to install the TV stand we need a screwdriver. Okay, now the TV stand is already done, so we can stand our TV here. Okay, here is the TV stand. In the middle we have the Samsung logo and another TV stand. So here is the back view look of the TV. And here we have the connection, video, PB, PR, L audio, and left audio and right audio. Okay, this for the TV cable, and this one is the digital audio output. This for LAN cable for internet. And on the left side of the TV we have HDMI 1, HDMI 2 and USB port and power connection here. And here we have the 4 hole for the TV mount. So now the bottom view, we have the 2 speaker here, this one and this one, and here is the TV receiver. Okay, now it's time to open the manual and the remote control. So I take out, here is some manual and how you can use and connect the TV and anything else. You can read it by yourself. And here is how to use the Samsung smart remote, or to insert battery or something. Okay, the totally is the user manual. And then here is the manual in Thailand language. And here we have the remote control. Okay, one more. So it's all everything in the plastic box. So should I take it out? And here we have a 2 battery for remote control. This one is for connect the TV signal, I keep in here. This one is the power cable. So the power cable is just this type, and there is the plug into the socket. So now we will check the remote control. So it has the sticker part seal, and here is the Samsung TV remote control. And then inside the battery, you just press this one out. It uses the AAA battery. Okay, now we insert the battery. Another one. Push it like this. Okay, now it's time for connect the power to the TV, and let's see. Okay, now I try to input the power to the TV. So we put the power cable here, and then there we go. Okay, now you can see the red signal appear, red light signal appear on our TV. Okay, now I press it on. Okay, now it's smart TV show off. And then waiting. Now it asks you to select the language. So you press down until you find so we need to go to find English. So and then press the confirm button in the middle here. Okay, now skip. We will talk about this next time. And then now it asks you to press the right of the remote, so I press writing. Select your country, region. So you can select what country you are now. Okay, now I will go to find Europe. That's just a little bit of Asia and Europe. So I select Asia. So selection is here, so I no need to show remote all time. Okay, so now it will show you connection guides. We recommend you to follow before you begin. So all the thing is not connect. We don't have the HDMI, we don't have to ANT input, so skip it and then just press next with the middle button again. Are you sure you do not want to connect any device? Okay, and then now connect any wireless connection. Select your wireless network. So if you don't see your Wi-Fi router, just press down and then press refresh here. And now I see my Wi-Fi network, so press confirm, and then it will ask you to input your Wi-Fi password. Okay, now when you all input all your password, and then press here and select done, and then your TV will connect to your Wi-Fi. When it's connected, it will show this term and condition privacy. Okay, so we need to agree all the things. So if not agree, we cannot use TV. And press OK. Sign into your Samsung account. Then you just press the right button here or skip. Select your TV source. So cable, satellite box we don't have. Select your receive TV channel from. So I don't receive broadcast signal. And then TV setup summary as shown below. So I only connect with Wi-Fi. Then press next. It's faster way to link your app. Service below. So I don't have Amazon Prime, skip. Now my TV is ready to use. Press done. Okay, now is the TV is simply complete the normal setup. So TV is no signal. Okay, because I didn't connect any signal to it, so it only have the Wi-Fi. So now I try to play. The only thing we can play is the, so press home button here, and then we go to YouTube. Then you can search free music. Okay, we search free music for YouTube video because I avoid to copyright. No copyright, so we can play it. Another thing, if your device connect to the same TV, so you can play here. So for example, I want to play this video, my review video on LG. So now I have the link to Samsung 4 series. So you can see here is Samsung 4 series 32-inch. It's your TV, and then you can see my channel connect to the TV, and then it will show the video that play now. So now press play again, and then you just press play here, and your video will play. So this video I just playing Mobile Legends on the LG Smart TV. So if you want to know about this one, I also put the card here if you want to play the phone screen on your Smart TV too. If you want to play your phone screen on your Smart TV too. Okay, thank you everyone for your time watching this video of the unboxing of Samsung 32-inch Smart TV model T4300, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.